Welcome. In this video I will show you how to resolve Bluetooth connection issues on Motorola Moto G10 smartphone. So first of all, make sure the device you are trying to connect to is charged enough and is already paired with your smartphone. If it's not yet paired, you're gonna have to put it into pairing mode, usually by holding some sort of a button for about 5 seconds until your device starts flashing rapidly, and then you're gonna have to go to connected device, pair new device, find your device on the list, tap on it, and then your device will be paired. However, if you are already paired with your device but you cannot connect it, then first of all make sure that it's available. If these are headphones, make sure to take them out of the charging case, and if this isn't helping you, then we can simply turn off the Bluetooth, then turn it on again, and then try to connect your device once again. And once again, if it just won't connect, you can unpair this device by tapping the gear icon next to it, select forget device, then put it back into pairing mode and try to repair with it. So tap pair device, then find your device on the list, and once you find it on the list, tap on it. And in case this won't help you, try to restart both your smartphone and your Bluetooth device. To restart your smartphone, hold down the power button and then select restart and wait until your device is restarted. And if you cannot resolve your issue this way, then as a last resort we can simply reset network settings on our smartphone. However, it will also affect your devices, the Wi-Fi network remembered by your device. So you're gonna have to reconnect to them with your smartphone by manually providing the network password to them once again. But to do that, you just have to go to System, in Settings, expand the Advanced menu, go to Reset Options, Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth, and Reset Settings. Confirm, wait until the network settings are reset, and then return back to Settings, go back to Connected Devices, and repair with your Bluetooth device. Right now everything should go just fine. Okay, I can seem to put my Bluetooth device into pairing mode. Let's wait until it appears on the list. Should take like a couple of seconds. And by now the problem should be resolved. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.